Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use the Apple Watch Ultra band. First, orient your Apple Watch Ultra so the display faces down. Take your chosen band and align one end with the slot on the side of the watch case. Gently slide the band into the slot until you feel and hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely in place. Repeat this process for the other side of the band, ensuring both ends are firmly attached before wearing your watch. To remove your Apple Watch Ultra band, first turn the watch over so the back is facing you. Locate the small, oval-shaped band release button on the back of the watch, near where the band connects. Press and hold this button firmly. While holding the button, gently slide the band horizontally out of its slot. Repeat this action for the other side of the band to completely detach it from your watch. Selecting the right band enhances your Apple Watch Ultra experience. For rugged outdoor adventures, the Alpine Loop, made from 2 textile layers woven together, offers exceptional durability and a secure G-hook fastener. If comfort and quick adjustments are key, the lightweight Trail Loop with its soft textile and pull tab is perfect. For water sports or diving up to 40 meters, the Ocean Band, crafted from high-performance fluoroelastomer, provides a secure and stretchable fit. Proper care extends the life of your Apple Watch Ultra bands. For most bands, a soft, lint-free cloth dampened with fresh water is sufficient for cleaning. Avoid using harsh chemicals, abrasive cleaners, or solvents, as these can damage the materials. After cleaning, allow the band to air dry completely before reattaching it to your watch. Store your bands in a clean, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain their quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.